talk about the weather. Binks is going to like his morning walk. I hope Pierre put a little sweater on him, though, because I feel like it's a little cold.
Binks will be fine.
Oh, okay. You sound just like Pierre, Marcus. Whatever. All right. Lake Tahoe right now, it's about 37 degrees. Look how beautiful it is. Oh, it's going to be such a lovely weekend to visit up there. It really is going to be, one of those nice commutes today, tomorrow. You don't have to worry about that. San Francisco, beautiful shot there. And you can see the flag here waving. That's because we're going to continue to see those windy conditions, not just around the coastline, but mainly also for the North Bay Mountains and the East Bay Hills. Downtown San Jose right now, great shot there. You can see some cloud cover. And I talked about that wind advisory for the highlighted areas. We're talking about gusts up to 60 miles per hour, which, by the way, the National Weather Service did register that 61 mile per hour gust at the Altamont. So, keep that in mind into the afternoon, though. Great weather. I mean, look at this. Temperatures in the low to mid 60s this afternoon. Very comfortable. 64 degrees in Oakland, 68 in Martinez, 69 in Santa Rosa. And we're going to continue to see this dry weather for the next several days. So looking at satellite radar, you can see high pressure over the Bay Area. So where's the rain? That's a great question. So the model runs were showing the rain chances staying tuned. The reason I say stay tuned is because we had a system that's going to pass, but it looks like that system is going to stay to our north. So I actually updated the forecast. For Monday, we had on and off again rain chances. Well, now the model runs are showing that rain is going to stay pretty far north. We're not really going to get to see that heading into Monday, which is going to leave us dry over the next 7 days here, not just for San Francisco, but also for inland areas. And then we get a bit of a warm up on the way heading into the weekend.